Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva for beginners. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have already opened my Canva. I have visited canva.com, and for you can visit canva.com or you can open Canva application. And for your information, we need internet connection to use Canva. Okay, and the first thing you're going to do guys is creating new design on Canva. You can click on create here, and then you can choose something that you want to create. For example, you can create Instagram post or Instagram story or poster, YouTube thumbnail, or presentation. It's up to you. And for me guys, I'm going to choose Instagram post. Okay, and then to save your time in designing using Canva guys, I recommend you to use template. You can go to the template right here, and then you just need to search the template that you like. And for me, I'm going to search collage like this, and I'm going to use the template. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, you can choose the template and then you can modify the template with your own elements. For example, I'm going to change the photo, so I'm going to go to the upload. Okay, and you can upload your photo here, and you can replace the photo on it with your own photo. And I'm going to delete it. I'm going to click on delete image, and I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, done. And for this image, I'm going to pick photo from my device. So we can go to the upload file, and then you can choose your photo. Wait guys, let me upload something from my folder. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on open. And now the photo is being uploaded guys, and I'm going to replace this photo with this one. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background. For background remover, it's not free. You need to subscribe to Canva to get this background remover feature. Okay, and here you can change the color. I'm going to make it, for example, this color or this one. Okay, cool. And you can change the text. If you want to change the text, just click on the text and change the font here. Okay, and yeah, just like that. It's so simple, guys. You can use Canva with a zero editing skill. And if you want to export your design, you can click on share, and then you can click on download, and you can choose the file type here. And for me, I'm going to choose JPG, and then just click on download. Okay, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay, that's so simple. Okay guys, and that's how we can use Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.